Now we have to format and organize. Apply suitable formatting to the worksheet to enhance readability and ensure data is well organized. This includes bold headers, border for cell and conditional formatting to highlight non-compliant entries. So first we will bold our headers. So clicking Control P and apply border here. So we want to like this to up, right, left and down. Here you can see we can copy this format using format printer and apply this to this. Oh, again we have to copy this format printer. Again we have to copy, and for compliance again for hours, similarly for movies and deviation and message. We can also create a border for our complete table by right and down, more borders for left also, right also, and down also. Here we will get and we will format you can say these entries by giving format auto column width also to this column, and we already did for message column. It's okay. Now we can add some columns to the left to the table. Insert. So and now let's see. Now we have to add conditional formatting. Okay, two non-compliant entries. For conditional uh, we will select this complete column and click on conditional formatting. So text that contains. Now we have to apply it for, you can say, non-compliant. So we will type non here, non-compliant. Here we will get also we will again do auto width. Now we can also add a, a background to this code, these headers also by giving. Now let's check. We have bolded our headers, borders for cells and condition formatting to high. Okay.